ದೇವದೇವ ಕಲಯಾಮಿ ದೇವದೇವ ಕಲಯಾಮಿ ತೇ ಚರಣಾಂಬುಜ ಸೇವನಂ ದೇವ 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 ಕಲಯಾಮಿ ಚರಣಾಂಬುಜ ಸೇವನಂ ದೇವ ಚರಣಾಂಬುಜ ಸೇವನಂ ದೇವ ಕಲಯಾಮಿ 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 ಭುವನ ತ್ರಯ ನಾಯಕ ಭುವನ ತ್ರಯ ನಾಯಕ ಭುವನ ತ್ರಯ ನಾಯಕ ಭೂರಿ ಕರುಣಯ ಭುವನ ತ್ರಯ ನಾಯಕ ಭೂರಿ ಕರುಣಯ ಭುವನ ತ್ರಯ ನಾಯಕ ಭೂರಿ ಕರುಣಯ ಮಮ ಭವತಾಪಮಖಿಲ ವರಯ ಮಮ ಭವತಾಪಮಖಿಲಂ ಮಮ ಭವತಾಪಮಖಿಲಂ ವರಯ ರಮಾನಾಥ ಭವತಾಪಮಖಿಲಂ ವರಯ ರಮಾನಾಥ ಭವತಾಪಮಖಿಲಂ ವರಯ ರಮಾನಾಥ ಭವತಾಪಮಖಿಲಂ ವರಯ ರಮಾನಾಥ ದೇವ ಕಲಯಾಮಿ ಚರಣಾಂಬುಜ ಸೇವನಂ ದೇವ ಕಲಯಾಮಿ ಜತರೂಪನಿ ಭಜೆ ಜತರೂಪನಿ ಭಜೇಲ ಜನ್ಮ ಮಮಗೆಲ ಪಾತಕ ಸಂಚಯ ಇಹ ವರಯ ಕರುಣಯ ಜಗರೂಪನಿ ಭಜೇಲ ಜನ್ಮಾರ್ಜಿತ ಮಮಗೆಲ ಪಾತಕ ಸಂಚಯ ಈಗ ವಾರಯ ಕರುಣಯ ದಿತಿ ಜಾಳೆ ವಿದಳನ ದಿತಿ ಜಾಳೆ ವಿದಳನ ದಿತಿ ಜಾಳೆ ವಿದಳನ ದೀನ ಬಂಧೋ ಸಾಲ ಹರಿ ಶ್ರಿತ ವಿಭುತ ಸಾಲ ಆಶ್ರಿತ ವಿಭುತ ಸಾಲ ಆಶ್ರಿತ ವಿಭುತ ಸಾಲ ಶ್ರೀ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಸೂರೆ ಶ್ರಿತ ವಿಭುತ ಸಾಲ ಶ್ರೀ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಸೂರೆ ಶ್ರಿತ ವಿಭುತ ಸಾಲ ಶ್ರೀ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಸೂರೆ ಶ್ರಿತ ವಿಭುತ ಸಾಲ ಶ್ರೀ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ ಸೂರೆ ದೇವದೇವ ಕಲಯಾಮಿ ಚರಣಾಂಬುಜ ಸೇವನಂ ದೇವದೇವ ಕಲಯಾಮಿ ಜಾತರೂಪ ನಿಭಚೇಲ್ ಪಮಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಪಮಗರಿ ಸರಿಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಪತ್ತ ಪಮಪ ಮಗರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಪಪ್ಪಮ 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 ಜಾತರೂಪ ಪದಪಮ 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 ಜಾತರೂಪ ಪಾದ ಮಾಪ ಗಮ ರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ತದಪಮ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಸನಿ ದಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿಜ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿಜ ಸನಿ ದಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದಪ ಮಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ದದಪಮ ಗಮ ಪನಿ ದದಪಮ ಗಮ ಪದ ಮದಪಮ ಗಮ ಪಗಪಮ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಮಗಮ ಪಪಮ ಪದದ ಪದ ನಿನಿ ಧನಿ ಸನಿ ಸರಿ ಸನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸಗರಿ ಸನಿ ರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸ ಪದ ಮಪಮ ಗಮ ಪ ಸನಿ ದಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸಪ್ಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸದಾದಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸಪದ ಮದಪ ಮಗ ಮಗಪ ಮದಪ ಮಗ ಮಪ ಮಗ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸಸರಿ ರಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಸಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಸಗ ಸರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಸರಿ ಜನಿ ಸಮಗ ಮಮ್ಮ ಸರಿ ಜನಿ ಸಪ ಮಪ ಸರಿ ಜನಿ ಸದಪದಾದ ಸರಿ ಜನಿ ಸಪ ಮಪ ಸರಿ ಜನಿ ಸಮಗಮ ಸರಿ ಜನಿ ಸಪ ಮಪ ಸರಿ ಸದಪದ ಸದಪದ ಸಪ ಮಪ ಸಮಗಮ ಸದಪ ಸಪಮ ಸದಪ ಸಪಮ ಮಗರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಗಮ ಜಾತರೂಪ ಸರಿ ನೀ ಗಪ ಮಮ್ಮ ಮಪ ಗಗ್ಗ ಗಮರೆ ರೇ ರಿಗ ಸ ಸರಿ ನೀ ಗಪ ಮಮ್ಮ ಗಮರು ಮಗ ಗಮರೆ ರಿಗ ಸಗರಿ ರಿಗ ಸರಿ ನೀ ಗಪ್ಪ ಮಪ್ಪ ಗಪ್ಪರೆ ರಿಪ್ಪಗ ಗಪ್ಪರೆ ರಿಗ ಸಗರಿ ರಿಗ ಸರಿ ನೀ ಗಪ ಮಪ್ಪ ಗಮರೆ ರಿಪ್ಪಗ ಗಮರೆ ರಿಗ ಸಗರಿ ರಿಗ ಸರಿ ನೀ ಸರಿ ಗಮ 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 ದದ ಗಮ 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 ರೇ ರೇ ಮಗ ಗಮ ರೇ ರೇ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ರಿ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ರಿ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮಮ್ಮ ಗಮ ಪದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ದ ರಿ ಪದ ದ ಮ ಪ ಪದ ದ ಗಮ ಮ ಪ ಪದ ದ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಗಮ ಮ ಪ ದ ಮ ಪ ಪದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ದ ದ ನಿ ಪ ದ ಮ ಗ ನೀ ಪದ ಮ ಪದ ಗಮ ಪದ ನೀ ನೀ ದ ದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರೀ ಸ ಸ ನಿ 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 ಸ ದ ದ ದ ದ ಸ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಸ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಸ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಸ ರಿ 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 ಸ ಸ ನಿ 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 ಸ ದ ದ ದ ಸ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಸ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಸ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಸ ರಿ 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 ಸ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ದ ದ ಸ ಪ ಪ ದ ಮ ಮ ಸ ಗ ಗ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ದ ಸ ಪ ಸ ಪ ದ ಗ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಪ ಸ ಪ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ದ ದ ದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ದ ದ ದ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಮ ರಿ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಪ ಗ ಮ ರಿ ಗ ಸ ಪದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಪದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಪ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಪ ಸ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ಸ ದ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮ ರಿ ಗ ಸ ಪದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಪದ ದ ನಿ ಪ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಸ ಪದ ನಿ ಪ ಸರಿ ಗ ಪದ ಪ ಸರಿ ಸ ದ ಪ ರಿ ಸ ಪ ಸ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ದ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಸಾರಿ ನೀ ಸ ದಾನಿ ಪದ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸು ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸರಿ 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 ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ಮ ಮ ಸ ದ ದ ದ ನಿ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ 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 ಮ ಗ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ರಿ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ದ ದ ದ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ನೀ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಮ ರ ನ ನ ನ ನೀ ಸ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ರಿ ರಿ ಮ ಗ ಮ ರಿ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನೀ ನಿ ದ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಬಲೆ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ಜಪ ಮಗರಿ ದ ನಿದ ಪದ ಸ ನಿದ ಬರಿ ದ ಗರಿ ದ ನಿ ಮಗರಿ ಗರಿ ದ ರಿ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ಗರಿ ದ ನಿ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಪ ಪ ದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಪ ಪ ದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಪ ಪ ದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ 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 ಸರಿ ರಿ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಪ ಪ ದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ni 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 sa sa ri ri ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ni ni sa ri ga 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 ri ri sa 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 da ni 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 da 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 ga 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 ri 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 sa sa ga ga ri ri sa sa ni ni ga ri sa ni da ri sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ni sa 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 ga ri 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 ga 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 ma pa 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 sa sa da ri ga 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 pa 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 sa sa ri ri ga ga ma ma pa pa sa ri ga ma ma pa da ni sa ri ga 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 ri ri sa 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 da ni 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 da 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 ga 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 ri 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 sa sa da ni 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 ga ga ri ri sa da ni ni ga ri sa ni da ri sa ni sa ni da 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 ru ni da se la mele This very popular composition by Maharaja Swati Tirunal in the Ragam Mayamalogola. The concert is from 4:30 to 6:30. I remembered an incident which happened around 25 years ago. I was invited to Kuwait by the Indian ambassador. So he just called one evening at 4 o'clock and said, "Tomorrow morning, can you come to Kuwait?" So I was very surprised. This is before internet and social media. So I thought it was a prank call. But the gentleman said, no, I heard about your concert in Dubai and we want you in Kuwait. So I said, but I don't have visa. No, do you have a passport which has 6 months validity? I said, yes. Then they said, we have a mridangam here already. You just find a violin. So between 4 p.m. and next morning, I had to find a violin. At that time, I couldn't get anybody I wanted. So finally, I found somebody who had a valid passport. And we just had to take passport and go to the airport in Trivandrum. So we went at 4 in the morning. Then Air India, one manager was there because Indian ambassador had called us. So this man came and gave us a white paper and he said, you can just go. And they put us in the first class. So that is the first and last time I traveled in first class actually in Air India. So there were only the two of us and the cabin crew. So they were offering us a lot of alcohol and early morning. Same evening we have concert and 4 in the morning we can't have alcohol either. So we are just sitting like this. Anyway, we reached Kuwait and he had put us in his Indian ambassador's palace. And then he just met us very casually and not at all polite or welcoming. He was very offhand way. Then he said, oh, I'll introduce you for the concert, but I can't stay for the concert because I have a dinner appointment. So I said, then why did you call me yesterday to come here if you can't attend my concert? So then he said, yeah. So it's just all about him. He wanted to show himself as the cultural, I'm the guy who brought culture to the desert and whatever. So then he made a speech mostly about himself. And then my concert was starting. So I said, I'm very grateful to be here. And a small audience had gathered. I said, His Excellency said, he will present me and he will absent himself. I guess. So then everybody laughed. So then he said, oh, no, I'll stay for one song. So the one song he thought it will be like every both out. Through 3 minutes it will finish. So I told my team, we will give him one song. So we sang Deva Deva Kalyami for 1.5 hours. This is a small version what you heard. This is only 25 minutes. So normal Deva Deva Kalyami, we do Naravel first speed swarams. It can stretch to 1.5. So you can see this guy kind of fidget and look at the watch because he said he'll stay for one piece. So when he sang Deva Deva, I just remembered. So next we'll present among my fans very popular but otherwise very rare composition by Neelakatta Sivan, who lived in my hometown of Thiruvananthapuram. Papanasam Sivan he took guidance from him, mentorship from him. In fact, Papanasam Sivan lived in Thiruvananthapuram until Neelakatta Sivan passed away. After that, he came to Chennai and of course became a superstar. So Neelakatta Sivan, normally if we hear the name Neelakatta Sivan, there's one song everyone sings. But there are many more songs. And speaking about Ananda Natamaduvar, it is my Veena Guru, Professor K.S. Narayanaswamy sir, who was a colleague of Tiger Varadacharya, who was M.D. Ramanathan's Guru, and Sabhesha Iyer, who was Mushiri Subramanian Iyer's Guru. They all worked together in Annamalai University. And it is K.S. Narayanaswamy sir who actually set to tune this Ananda Natamaduvar Thile, which many people don't know. So now we'll present a very cute composition by Neelakatta Sivan in South Indian Bihag, which is not heard much, depicting the cosmic dance of Lord Nataraja. Shankara Nin Karunai Purivai, 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 Nin Karunai Purivai. Tavaravida Adarulvai, Tavaravida Adarulvai, Tavaravida Adarulvai, Shankara Nin Karunai Purivai, Tavaravida Adarulvai, Shankara Nin Karunai Purivai, Nin Karunai Purivai. Mangalam Ongiya Mangalam Ongiya Vengirivasa, 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 Vengirivasa, Mangalam Ongiya Vengirivasa, Madhavar Mamunivor Tolum Nesa, Mangalam Ongiya Vengirivasa, Madhavar Mamunivor Tolum Nesa, Angamur Madhavai Talumulasa, Harahara Purahara Mantrul Natesa, Angamor Madhavai Talumulasa, Harahara Purahara Mantrul Natesa, Bingu Bangu Bingu Maya Purana, Bingu Bangu Bingu Maya Purana, Bingu கண்டு பாசமோச்சன கருணை செய்ய தருண மூன்று லோச்சனை எங்கு மாயப்பூர் எத்தொழிக்கும் எத்தொருக்கும் காரண கங்கை எங்கள் தந்து பாசமோச்சன கருணை செய் தருண மூன்று லோச்சன சங்கர நின் கருணை புரிவாய் நின் கருணை ಗಮಪ ಮಗರಿಸನಿ ಇಂಗು ಬಂಗು ಬೆಂಗು ಮಾಯ ಪೂರಣ ನಿಜ ನಿಜ ನಿದ ಪಮ ಗಮಗರಿಸನಿ ಇಂಗು ಬಂಗು ಬೆಂಗು ಸ ಗಮಗರಿಸನಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿದ ಪಮ ಪ ಗಮಗರಿ ಇಂಗು ಬಂಗು ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸಾನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಗಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಇಂಗು ಬಂಗು ಸಮಗ ಪಮ ದ ಪಮ ಪಸ ನಿರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಪದ ಪಗರಿ ಇಂಗು ಸ ಪಮ ಪದ ಪಮ ಪನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಪಸ ನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಗಮಗರಿ ಇಂಗು ಬಂಗು ಮದದ ಮಪ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಇಂಗು ಸಪಗಾರಿ ಸನಿ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಗಾರಿ ಸಾನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಗರಿ ಇಂಗು ಸಗಮ ಪನಿ ದ ಸನಿ ದ ಪಮ ಪದ ಪಗಾರಿ ಇಂಗು இங்கு பங்கு பெங்கு மாய பூரண எத்துடிக்கும் எப்பொருட்கும் கங்கை திங்கள் தங்கு பாச மோச்சன கருணை செய் கருண மூன்று லோச்சன சங்கர நின் கருணை புரிவாய் நின் கருணை புரிவாய் The Sangeeta Pitamaha was Sri Purandaradasa, was the big boss. The big boss is somebody even senior to him, who was the Pada Kavita Pitamaha Talapaka Sri Annamacharya, who lived most of his time in Tirupati. And it is said that Purandaradasa actually went to Tirupati not only to get the blessings of Venkateswara, but to get the blessings of Annamacharya also. So he has composed many thousands of compositions which got lost for several centuries. They both lived around 600 years ago. Then during the 20th century, around 1945, a gentleman discovered many compositions of Annamacharya inscribed in copper plates, which is found in a vault in Tirupati temple. And my Gurugaru, Dr. Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna, he was the first person to be given 10 of these songs to set to tune. Only the lyrics were there, music was lost. So the first song he tuned was in Bihag, Narayana Te Namo Namo. This is the first song he tuned. Along with that, he tuned several other songs. Most of them became mega super hits among the Telugu speaking community. We'll present a very small, beautiful composition where very concisely in two lines, he describes the entire Dasavataram. And we have Brahma Kadikina Padamu about Vishnu Padam. So this is about Vishnu's hand. In Telugu, the Cheyi. Cheyi means hand, and Bangaru Cheyi. Manchi Bangaru Cheyi, his beautiful golden hand. So Dasavataram, but connected to Vishnu's hand. And can you can take video, but can you switch off the flash? It's, yeah, you can just switch off. Because these lights are already blinding me, so flash is another. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Sometimes we don't realize flash will be on by itself. If anybody is taking video, I have no problem, but if you are on Instagram, you can just tag me and share with me. So it's Prince Ramavarma is the ID. If you share with me, then I'll share with Vinu Harikumar. You are not Instagramming. Only Karthik and Vinu you can find. Harikumar is still waiting. I joined very recently. ఇందరికి అభయంబులిచ్చు చేయి ఇందరికి అభయంబులిచ్చు చేయి కొందుమలకు మంచి బంగారు చేయి ఇందరికి అభయంబులిచ్చు చేయి కందుమలకు మంచి బంగారు చేయి ఇందరికి అభయం బులిచ్చు చేయి వెలలేని వేదములు వెతకితే చిన్న చేయి వెలలేని వేదములు వెతకితే చిన్న చేయి చిలుకు బలి క్రిందు చేర్చు చేయి వేదములు వెతకితే చిన్న చేయి చిలుకు బలికుందు చేర్చు చేయి కలిగియకు భూకాంత కౌగిలించిన చేయి కలిగియకు భూకాంత కౌగిలించిన చేయి వలనైన కొనగోళ వారి చేయి అందరికీ అభయం బులిచ్చు చేయి కందులకు మంచి బంగారు చేయి అందరికీ బులిచ్చు చేయి కనివోక బలి చేత దానమడిగిన చేయి కనివోక బలి చేత దానమడిగిన చేయి పునరంగ భూదాన ముసకు చేయి కనివోగ బలి చేత దానమడిగిన చేయి పునరంగ భూదాన ముసకు చేయి మొనసి జలనిధియము మనకు తెచిన చేయి మొనసి జలనిధియము మనకు తెచిన చేయి ఎనయ నాగేలు ధరించ చేయి ఇందరికీ అభయం బులిచ్చు చేయి కందువలకు మంచి బంగారు చేయి అందరికీ అభయం బులిచ్చు చేయి పురసతుల మానముల పురసతుల మానముల పుల్ల చేసిన చేయి 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 దురగంబు బరబేటి దొడ్డ చేయి పురసతుల మానముల పుల్లతే చిన్న చేయి ದುರಗಂಬು ಬರಬೇಡಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚೇಯಿ ತಿರುವೆಂಕಟಾಚಲಾಧೀಶುಡೈ ಮೋಕ್ಷಂ ತಿರುಧೀಶುಡೈ ಮೋಕ್ಷಂ ತಿರುವೆಂಕಟಾಚಲಾಧೀಶುಡೈ మోక్షం తిరుగు ప్రాణులకెల్ల తెలిపెడిచే ఇంతరికి అభయం ఉలిచ్చు చేయి కందుమలకు మంచి బంగారు చేయి ఇంతరికి అభయం ఉలిచ్చు చేయి కందుమలకు మంచి బంగారు చేయి ఇందరికి ఇందరికి అభయం బులిచ్చు చేయి తరణన ತರನನನ್ 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 near Hyderabad there is a place called Yadagiri Gutta, where there is a very great Narasimha temple. So this is a composition on the Narasimha at Yadagiri Gutta, composition of Dr. Mangalampalli Balamuralikrishna sir, in the ragam Simhendra Madhyamam. When I am seated in the middle of three lions, I feel like singing Simhendra Madhyamam. So please welcome Sri S.R. Vinu on the violin, Sri B. Harikumar on the mridangam, and Dr. S. Karthik on the khatam. Marakata Simhasana Narasimha, Marakata Simhasana Narasimha, Durita Chitta Gajasimha. Marakata Simhasana Narasimha, Durita Chitta Gajasimha. Pahi Marakata Simhasana Narasimha, Durita Chitta Gajasimha. Pahi Murali Nada Sudha Aswada Varada Yada Girinatha. Murali Nada Sudha Aswada Varada Yada Girinatha. Pamabasa sa sa pabariri pagagariri nisasa dhanini mapamabasa sa sa pabariri pagagariri nisasa dhanini marigamaba rigamabada kamabada kamabadani mabadani samarakata simhasana narasimha, durita chitta gajasimha. Pahi ఆహ్లాదముని వీక్షణము, ఆహ్లాదముని వీక్షణము, ప్రహ్లాదునికి రక్షణము. ఆహ్లాదముని వీక్షణము, ప్రహ్లాదునికి రక్షణము. ఆనందాత్మక అభయాక్షతలే, అభయాక్షతలే, అక్షయమై దొరికెని క్షణము. ఆనందాత్మక అభయాక్షతలే, అక్షయమై దొరికెని క్షణము. పమపస స స పపటీరి పగాగరీరి నిసస ధనీని మపమపస స స పపటీరి పగాగరీరి నిసస ధనీని మరిగమప రిగమపద మపద మపదని 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 సమరగత సింహాసన నరసింహ, దురిత చిత్త గజసింహ. ఆహ్లాదముని వీక్షణము, సరిగమ ఆహ్లాదము. సరిగమ పదపమ గరిజ సారిగమ ఆహ్లాదం. పదని ధని సట్టి సాని దప దపమ గమ ఆహ్లాదం. సరి గరి ని సరి స ధని సరి గరి సని ధని స సాని దపమ ఆహ్లాదం. సరి గరి గమ పమ గరి సని స గరి సని రి సని దపమ ఆహ్లాదం. సగరి గ సరి ని రి సరి ని స దశ నిజ ధని సని దప మా సరి గమ పదని సరి గమ గరి సని దప మా మపద పమ గరి సని సరి గమ సరి గరి గమ గమ ప మప టిరిరిరిప టిరిరిరిప మపదప 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 పాదని సరి రే సని దప రీ రీ స సని దప మప రి 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 స ని రి సని దప స సని దప మప సని సదని దప గారి సని రీ సని దని దప గరి సని రే సని దని దప స స స ప ప ప స స స ప ప స స రి రి గ గ ప మ ప ద ప స స స రి రి గ గ మ మ ప ద ప మ ప ద ప ప ప ద ప ప ప ద ప ద ప స స స స రి 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 గ గ గ మ ప సా రి గ రి రి గ మ గ గ మ ప ద మ ప గ మ ప రి గ మ ప రి గ ప రి గ ప ద ప స రి గ మ ప స సా రి గ మ ప సా రి గ మ ప సా రి గ మ ప రి గ మ ప ద ప స రి గ రి గ మ ప ప ప ప ప ద ప బ ప మ ప ద ప మ ప ద ప మ ప మ ప ద మ ప ద మ ప ద ప మ ప ద ప మ ప ద ప రి గ మ ప ద ప రి గ మ ప ద ప ri ga ma pa da pa pa da ma da pa sa ri ga ma pa ni 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 sa ri ga ma pa sa ri ga ma pa ri ga ma pa ri ri pa ni ri pa 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 pele pa pa
dim dakata dim dakata dim kadaka tari kadaka takadina takadalang gudum dim dakata dim dakata dim dakata dim tadum takadum takita tum takadina tum takita tum takita tum takadimi takita tum takadimi takajunna tum tadim dakata dim dakata dim dakata dim takadum 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 takadimi takajunum kadaka tari kadaka dum takadaka tari kadaka dum takadaka tari kadaka dum tadum kadaka tari kadaka dum tadim dakata dim dakata tadim tadum 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 dum dim dakata dim dakata kadaka tari kadaka takadara takadalang dim tadim tagadin tadim takadaka takadadim tagadin tadim tadim tari kadaka dum dingada takadadim 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 dum takadadim dingada takadadim dungada takadadim kita kita takadadim takadadim dungada takadadim kita takadadim takadadim dungada takadadim 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 dum takadadim takadadim takadum tarigada takadadim dungada dingada 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 takadadim dungada dingada tangada takajulu tangada takajulu tangada takajulu takadari takadari tangada takadari tangada takadari tangada takadari tangada takajulu takadari takadari tangada takadari kada takadari kada takada takadari kada takadari kada takada takadari tungada takadari kada takadari tangada takadari kada tangada takadari kada tangada takadari kada takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum ta dimge ta dum da dinge ta tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum thum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum thum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum takadari kada tum takadari kada tum takadari kada tum ta dimge ta dum ta dinge ta tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum thum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum tarikadum takada takadari kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum takadari kada tum takadari kada tum takadari kada tum tarikadum ta dinge ta dum ta dinge ta tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum dum takada takadari kada tum takada takadari kada tum ta tum kada takadari kada tum ta tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada tum kada takadari kada dum ta
ఆహ్లాదనము ఆహ్లాదముని వీక్షణము ప్రహ్లాదునికి రక్షణము Since we presented Simhendra Madhyama, I just remembered tomorrow morning I have a lecture demonstration at 8:30 a.m. at Parthasarathi Swami Sangeeta Sabha along with Vidushi Amruta Venkatesh, where we would be covering some very very refined aspects. For example, in Simhendra Madhyama or Shanmukha Priya, Pamagari Rigari Rigamagari, Ga is only the Pamagari Gari. This we should not do ideally. Siddhi Vinayakam Rama Rama. So this a bit of small Madhyamam comes, which should not come in Shanmukha Priya or Simhendra Madhyamam. These kind of very very subtle things which are mostly of use to music students, musicians, music teachers. So tomorrow morning, Parthasarathi Swami Sangeeta Sabha, we have a very very technical lecture demonstration at 8:30, and on Christmas Day, December 25th morning, I have a solo lecture demonstration. There's a small auditorium. It's, for those of you who know Savera Hotel, New Woodlands, then there used to be a building, Nilgiris building, which doesn't exist now. There's a tiny hall called Krishna Saras Hall, where Gayatri Global, they are having a festival. So on Christmas Day, 25th morning, I have a lecture where I would be talking about the non-Carnatic music influences in my life. So for example, even a raga like Simhendra Madhyama, sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. But if we do ta ra 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 na 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 ta ra na na ta ra ta ra ta ra 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 ra. So this is Western major minor scale comes. So like that, I don't bring it in Carnatic music, but some influences are there. Some of my fans, they generally don't like Carnatic music, but they enjoy my concerts. They say, new sound, it sounds little different, not the typical flavor. So I will be revealing some of these sources from many other countries, which are whatever I'll be playing will be all available on YouTube. So those of you who are very sharp, if you bring a book, or you can note down, and then you can follow all those great musicians online USL. Anyway, coming back to our concert, actually all the songs we have presented are requests from listeners who have messaged me on Instagram and email, WhatsApp, like that. So this is a very very beautiful bhajan. There were two, like Purandradasa and Namacharya, who lived at the same time, two of the great devotees from North India, were Goswami Tulasidas and Surdas. So Surdas was a great devotee of Krishna, and Tulasidas was a great devotee of Rama. So the two met once, and Tulasidas said to Surdas, "You have composed so many songs on Krishna, how come you have not composed even one song on Rama?" So Surdas said, "Hey, shut up. You have made so many songs on Rama, but you have not even made one song on Krishna. So you keep quiet." So then both of them had this friendly exchange where the Rama devotee Tulasidas composed a few songs on Krishna, and Krishna devotee Surdas composed a few songs on Rama. So we'll present a very very beautiful, soulful, meditative, melodious composition on Lord Sri Krishna, composed by the Rama devotee Tulasidas. So this was taken from Hindustani music by Dr. Balamurali Krishna, and the raga is called Chaya Nat. So we have Bihag and Hamir Kalyani and Sindhu Bhairavi and so many Pilu, Mand, many ragas have come to Carnatic music, but Chaya Nat has had not come to Carnatic music. So in the composition, the Sahityam Gopala Gokula Vallabhi is there. So Balamurali Krishna just called this ragam Vallabhi. It has a very beautiful play between two madhyamams and two nishadams also. Ga ma re pa pa ma da da pa re re ga ma pa ma ga sa ni pa sa ni re ga ma pa re sa. This is very very sweet composition. Gopal Gokula Vallabhe Priya Gopa Gosuta Vallabham Gopal Gokula Vallabhe Priya Gopa Gosuta Vallabham Gopal Gokula Vallabhe Priya Gopa Gosuta Vallabham Charanarvindam Charanarvindam Aham Bhaje Bhajaniya Suramuni Galabham Gopal Gokula Vallabhe Priya Gopa Gosuta Vallabham. Ghanashyama Kama Aneka Chabi Lokabhirama Manoharam Ghanashyama Kama Aneka Chabi Lokabhirama Manoharam Kinjal Kavasana Kinjal Kavasana Kishora Murti Puri Guna Karunakaram Kinjal Kavasana Kishora Murti Puri Guna Karunakaram Gopal Gokula Vallabhe Priya Gopa Gosuta Vallabham. Sir ke ki pinch Nilola Kundala Aruna Vanaruhalochanam Sir Keki Pinch Vilola Kundala Aruna Vanaruhalochanam Kunjavatams Vichitra Sab Angadhatu Bhavabhaya Mochanam Gopal Gokula Vallabhe Priya Gopa Gosuta Vallabham Kachakutila Sundara Tilaka Bhuraka Mayanka Samananam Kachakutila Sundara Tilaka Bhuraka Mayanka Samananam Apaharana Apaharana Tulasi Das Tas Vihara Brinda Kananam Apaharana Tulasi Das Das Vihara Brinda Kananam वल्लभम् Next we'll present a beautiful bhajan extolling the ruchi, the taste of Ramanamam by the ultimate Rama devotee called Kancharla Gopanna. So Kancharla Gopanna is more popularly known as Bhadrachala Ramadasa. Shri Ramani Namame Miruchira O Ramani Namamenta Ruchira Shri Ramani Namame Miruchira O Ramani Namamenta Ruchira Shri Ramani Namame Miruchira O Ramani Namamenta Ruchira Kariraja Prahlada धरणिज विभीषणु हरिराज प्रह्लाद धरणिज विभीषणुडु गाचिनने नाम ಎಂತ ರುಚಿರ ಕರಿರಾಜ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಧರಣಿಜ ವಿಭೀಷಣುಡು ಗಾಚಿನನೆ ನಾಮ ಎಂತ ರುಚಿರ ಕದಳಿ ಖಜೂರಾದಿ ಫಲಮೂಲಕಧಿಕಮು ಕದಳಿ ಖಜೂರಾದಿ ಫಲಮೂಲಕಧಿಕಮು ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ನಾಮ ಏಮಿ ರುಚಿರ ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ನಾಮ ಮೆಂತ ರುಚಿರ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ನಾಮ ಏಮಿ ರುಚಿರ ಓ ರಾಮ ನಾಮ ರುಚಿರ ಅಂಜನಾತನಯ ಹೃತ್ಕಂಜ ತಲಮುಲಂದು ರಂಜಿಲ್ಲು ನೀ ನಾಮ ಎಂತ ರುಚಿರ ಅಂಜನಾತನಯ ಹೃತ್ಕಂಜದಳಮುಲಂದು ರಂಜಿಲ್ಲು ನೀ ನಾಮ ಎಂತ ರುಚಿರ సదా శివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించడి సదా శివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించడి సదానంద నామ ఏమి రుచిర సదానంద నామెంత రుచిర శ్రీ నామ ఏమి రుచిర ఓ రామని నామెంత రుచిర తుంబురు నారదురు డంబు మేరగ గానంబు చేసెడి నామ ఏమి రుచిరా తుంబురు నారదురు డంబు మేరగ గానంబు చేసెడి నామ ఎంత రుచిరా హరయ భద్రాచల శ్రీరామదాసుని హరయ భద్రాచల శ్రీరామదాసుని ఏలిన నీ నామమేమి రుచిర ఏలిన నీ నామమెంత రుచిర శ్రీరామని నామం ఏమి రుచిర ఓ రామని నామమెంత రుచిర శ్రీరామని నామమేమి రుచిర ఓ రామని నామ రుచిర ఏమి రుచిర ఎంత రుచిర ఏమి రుచిర When I was young, I started singing in Chennai in 1990, 35 years ago. When I first started singing, there were hardly 10-15 people in the audience, and most of them would be senior citizens. So as I am getting older and older, the age group of my fans are getting younger and younger. So I have several requests from 3-year-old people, 2-year-old people, but today for the first time I got a request from Abhimanyu like child who is not yet born. His mother sent me a message saying, I am 7 months pregnant, and whenever the baby inside is kicking, if I play your music, then it calms down. So please sing Varalila Gana Lola. So this Varalila Gana Lola is for the Hone Wala Abhimanyu type kid. So till now we tried not to repeat any songs, but sometimes the same songs get requested again and again. So once in a while we will repeat. So this is one, we had sung it already in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. But this is a Tyagaraja song. For those of you who know, you already know. But for those of you who don't know, this Tyagaraja, Dikshitar, all of them, they lived at the same time around 250 years ago when India was ruled by the British, and they were exposed to the Western tunes brought by the British conquerors. And especially Dikshitar, he composed many songs, more than 30 of them. Just the same Western melody, Dikshitar would take and add beautiful lyrics in Sanskritam. But Dikshitar would usually have just part 1 and part 2. But Tyagaraja, in the few of the Western Notusarams he has done, there are multiple Charanam songs. Many Charanams are there. So here in Varalila Gana Lola, for example, one syllable keeps repeating in every Charanam. So in the Pallavi, Varalila Gana, so the La, Varalila Gana Lola, Surapala, Suguna Jala, Bharita Neela, Gala Hridalaya, Shruti Moola, Sukarunala, Vala Palaya. So like that, each Charanam has one letter which comes again and again. After this, we'll conclude with a Tilana. Varalila Gana Lola, Varalila Gana Lola, Surapala Suguna Jala, Bharita Neela Gala Hridalaya, Shruti Moola Sukarunala, Vala Palaya Suma. Suravanditapta Brinda, Varamandara Thara Sundara Karakundara, Indu Mukha Sanandana Nudana, Danandanendira Vara, Muni Chintaniya Swanta, Varakanta Kanigamanta, Charana Kanta Kushalavat, Rahita Danta Kujava Santa Santa Danta Kastuta, Varapusha Vamsha Bhusha, Nataposhana Mrudu Bhashana, Ripu Bhishana, Karave, Varapusha Varasha Bhusha Poshtita, Sukavisha Hritnivesha, Jagadesha Kubhava Pasha, Rahita Sesha Suragane, Ranadhira Sarvasara, Sukumara Buddha Vihara, Danujanira Dhara Samira, Karuna Rasa Paripurna Jara Chora Pahima, Nara Raksha Nira Jaksha, Vara Rakshasa Madashikshakasu, Yakshasana Garuksha Patinuta, Kshaharana Paksha Daksha Shikshaka, Raghuraja Tyagaraja, Utaraja Divasaraja, Nayana Bhukta Gadavanaja, Raja Raja Pujita, Varalila Gana Lola, Surapala Suguna Jala, Bharita Neela Gala Hridala, Shruti Moola Sukarunala, Vala Palaya Suma. Varalila Gana Lola, Surapala Suguna Jala, Bharita Neela Gala Hridala, Shruti Moola Sukarunala, Vala Palaya Suma. This is Ahir Bhairav. Ahir Bhairav, normally we hear it in a very plaintive way. Pibare Ramarasam. That kind of very melodious, slow tunes normally we hear in Ahir Bhairav. But Balamurali Krishna sir has made a beautiful and brilliant Tilana. It's very vivacious and upbeat in this normally plaintive ragam. And And before we conclude, we'd like to thank all of you for being such a fantastic audience. I'd like to thank my amazing accompanists, and all of us would like to thank this amazing gentleman on the sound. ரொம்ப 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 சௌகரியமாக இருந்தது. So, his name is Pandian. So he is Veera Pandian only. So வருஷம் இங்கே பாடுறச்சு ஒரு புது இடத்துல போகிறச்சு எப்படி இருக்குமோ சவுண்டு தெரியாமல் பயமாக போயிடும். இங்கே வந்தால் இவர் மூஞ்சி பார்த்தா இன்றைக்கி எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்குன்னு தெரியும். தேங்க்யூ சார். இது என்னோட மட்டும் அபிப்பிராயம். ஆல் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் ஹூ கம் ஹியர் வி ஃபீல் லைக் தட். தேங்க்யூ. கேட்டால் இந்த குரலில் அவ்வளோ பேஸ் எல்லாம் கிடையாது. இவர் வச்சு கீழே சா எல்லாம் போயிடுவார். நாதிருதிம் தனனனும் நும் ததர ததரத நும் ததாரே திருதில்லன நாதிருதிம் தனனனும் நும் தத ததரதார நும் ததாரே திருதில்லன நாதிருதிம் தனன நும் நும் தத ததரத நும் ததாரே திருதில்லன நாதிருதிம் தனன நும் நும் ததர ததரத நும் ததாரே திருதில்லன நாதிருதிம் தனனனும் ததர தாரே நாதிருதிம் திம் தனன தஜம் தாதா ஆதா ததர தாரே நாதிருதிம் திம் தனன தஜம் தாதா ஆதா ததர தாரே நாதிருதிம் திம் தஜம் தாதா ஆதா ததர தாரே நாதிருதிம் தஜம் தாதா ஆதா ததிமித ஜனு கம பஜனு ததிமிக ததிமித ஜனு கம பஜனு ததிமிகம் ததரி கிடதக சரிகம பகரி சரிதப மகரி சரி சரிகம பகரி சரிதப தனனனும் ததரதாரனும் ததாரி ததிரநாதரி தனனனும் மஞ்சுள மோகன முரளி ரவளி ಮಂಜುಳ ಮೋಹನ ಮುರಳಿ ರವಳಿ ರಾಗವಲ್ಲರಿ ಮನು ರಂಜಿತ ತಾಳ ಶಬ್ದ ಚಲ್ಲರಿ ನಿನಾದೇನ ಪುಳಕಾಗಿದ ತನುದ ಮಂಜುಳ ಮೋಹನ ಮುರಳಿ ರವಳಿ ರಾಗವಲ್ಲರಿ ಮನು ರಂಜಿತ ತಾಳ ಶಬ್ದ ಚಲ್ಲರಿ ನಿನಾದೇನ ಪುಳಕಾಗಿದ ತನುದ ತದರ ತಾರೆ ನದು ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತನನ ದಜಂ ದಾದ ಆದಾದ ತದರ ತಾರೆ ನದು ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಜಂ ದಾದ ಆದಾದ ತದರ ತಾರೆ ನದು ಧಿಂ ತನನ ದಜಂ ದಾದ ಆದಾದ ತದರ ತಾರೆ ನದು ಧಿಂ ತಜಂ ದಾದ ಆದಾದ ತದಿಮಿತ ಜನು ಗಮ ಜನು ತದಿಮಿಗ ತದಿಮಿತ ಜನು ಗಮ ಜನು ತದಿಮಿಗಂ ತದರಿ ಕಿಟತಕ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ತ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ತ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ತ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ತ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ತ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ತ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ರಿ ತನನನುಂ ನಂ ತದರ ದಾರನುಂ ತದಾರ ತಿದಿಲನ ನಾದೃದಿ ತನನನುಂ ನಾದೃದಿ ತನನನುಂ ನಾದೃದಿ ತನನನುಂ Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.